Guys, what is going on and welcome back to another car stance video. Today I have for you Murdered Out Minivan by Wrapjax 4K, another Voitions Media video. Okay, now before we get started, guys, I always thank you so much for all the love support on the car channel. You guys are amazing. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers, guys. Let's hit it and let's pass it. Okay, thank you. Keep liking, comment, subscribing, and let's go. Let's check out this minivan. What kind of minivan? Is it a Dodge? Is it a Chrysler? Is it the Toyota? Which one is it? Might be the Dodge one. Man, what? Oh, it's a Honda. How bored do you have to be to soup up a minivan? A minivan. I mean, a SUV, I understand. But a minivan, bro? They're gonna wrap this Honda minivan. That's an Odyssey, right? I mean, it looks dope. And matte black, that shit looks dope. Soccer mom, soccer dad. I'm not gonna lie, it looks dope. I wouldn't do it, but it looks dope. Ah, here's the other one. Wow, dude. Wow. A minivan, bruh. A minivan. Wow. I love it though. See, and this is something that you don't see every day. That's what's awesome about this world and the car community. It's like people will modify anything. Like, look at this, is crazy. This one is just a wrap, but the other one was like super modified. That's crazy. Oh, thank you, Voitions, for the thank you, minivan, Voitions, Wrapjax. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Definitely more videos coming up on the channel. I love y'all, and I'll see you in the next one, okay? Peace.